Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, he was hauling it. Oh my god. No, Jake. Hey, Jake. Oh, what the? All right, y'all. So we're about to get a quick launch in the 20. Is it 2025? 2025 M4, y'all. This is. Oh! Yo, welcome back, Exotic family. Welcome back to another ExoticSIMZ video. See, tell y'all. Listen, all right. I was supposed to be at our meet that we were hosting, a pop-up meet. I was supposed to literally be there at 8. It's 8:01. All right. So. Please forgive me, but either way, we're still gonna get there. We're only 30 minutes away, so we're gonna slide over there. I'm literally starting up the car now, and apparently it's gonna be a good turnout. We got a lot of people going, at least kind of like closest friends plus like closest friends that we have in the car community. So definitely it's gonna be a good pop out, good turnout. I'm heading over there now. See, I'm telling you, see, but I'm heading over there now, and then we're gonna go see what happens. So let's go. We here now, but. Who's over there? Oh, where did he turn? He drunk. Oh no. Where? Who is this?
It's a snack pack, y'all.
It's a AJ. It's a snack pack. Wherever AJ at. All right. Well, we're here though. We got Blue here. We got Blue.
Oh, hey, guess what? What you see over there? Ah!
I know you did not. I know you did not. Did he drive it? First of all, what's up? What's up? How's it going? Did you? What plate you got on?
But I get my tax Monday.
Ah, that's a bet. That's a bet. That's a bet. Yo, look at. Oh, never mind.
No,
well, this ain't gonna go on for a minute.
No, you can't.
Look at that, y'all. Look at him. Who he feeling like? Oh, Kevin did not pull up popping like that. Hey, Kevin did not pull up popping like that. What's up? What's going on in here, Kev?
How y'all doing, man?
Chilling here.
I had to come up
What
styling, bro.
Oh my God.
What's up, bro? How you doing?
Yeah. You got a lot of good people here, man. It's kind of like chill friends, good friends. And then we got Jake. We got Jake in the house.
What up, buddy?
What up, man? How's it chilling?
Man, chilling, baby. We just definitely did the speed limit the whole way here.
Yeah, 55.
Yeah.
55. What about that one? I'm like, fuck, we get close. We get close. This is sped up, guys. This is sped up for the video. Hauling. Oh my God. Hawking them down. Oh my God. You have the elephant swap?
Dude. Camera quality break up.
That's crazy though.
I was behind.
See? 55 though. 55.
I need a
55. 55. It's just the car's overheating.
55.
It's just, you know,
that
loss of coolant.
Fire.
It does?
It looks fire as fuck.
Dude,
yes.
appreciate it. You gotta see it during the day though.
Yeah,
During the day it goes hard. You got Perry and D-Lo that pulled up? Jeez. Popping like crazy. D-Lo was popping. In the house? What up? Chilling, fool?
What's to the car, bro?
Go look at it. We got more people that pulled up. Oh my God. Oh, you heard that?
Man, backed up.
You went.
You wipe my mouth.
He said, all right, y'all. So this is Jake's boy. He said he pulled up in a 2025 M4 comp.
Yeah, go. Like,
oh my God. Oh, this is this boy.
What's up, bro?
What up, my guy?
How you, bro?
Yeah, how you been?
I'm good.
I know he did not pull up. Hey, get this piece of grape out of here, bro. Get this piece of grape out of here.
Make sure I don't scrape too hard. What up, gang?
What up, gang? What up, bro? Who's this grape?
He said great.
Who's this grape? Hey, you ain't lower than me, Dre. You ain't lower than me, Dre.
For sure.
You ain't lower than me, Dre.
Yeah, hey, I'm low enough. My hair's too damn low.
Sorry, y'all. Listen, I've been trying to get as much content or been talking to people as possible, trying to get as much content too. Look at this. You got a right-hand drive? What the? Oh my God, they all pulling in too. Look at this. Look at this. They all pulling in. Oh my God. Oh my God. Jeez. Damn. That sounds wild, bro. What the? All right, y'all. One of the craziest things I've seen, bro. That is a true monster truck. Oh, what is that? I know you lying. What? All right, beam. Oh, I got that on camera.
For real? Oh shit, my mouth Judy fuck.
Oh, I thought he was gonna hit it. I thought he was gonna hit it. Sheesh. Look, he had to come at such an angle. So clean, so clean.
Dang, bro, you about to head out? I'm about to launch. Yeah, I got say that.
Here you go, just for y'all, just for y'all.
Hey, flip back there, by the way.
Yo! Hey. Yo! Damn!
I say wipe my mouth.
I said, we all need buckets, towels, anything for that one.
Oh, God,
no, we're not gonna let that slide. Are you okay? Are you okay? How you think that's a cop, bro? That's part of the table. Oh my God. Are you okay? Drunk, ain't he? Look at this, y'all. We got more cars rolling in, more cars. Got a C8 or a C7, then a C8 over there. Where's AJ? AJ, wipe your mouth. Wipe your mouth, AJ. Oh. Oh my God. Oh. So sexy. Crazy C8. Oh. Sheesh. Look at that. That's clean. Clean. It's so clean.
Yeah.
Huh?
They golf R's?
My friend back in Florida, he had a Golf R.
They're pretty bippy too, especially for tuning.
Bro, his is pretty clean,
like
but I don't know what he
German
did with
version.
it after that, because he moved to like Puerto Rico. I don't know if he kept it or
That's
not.
like the German version of the Honda Type R's.
All right, he drunk. Kevin's about to do a pool. He's got everybody riding with him. So we're about to get a video of this, man. This would be crazy. Kevin's about to do a pool with everybody in the car. Yeah, he about to do a pool. Come on, Kev. Come on, Kev. Telling y'all, what? I need a napkin when it comes to a 340. Yeah, I need a napkin when it comes to a 340. Nah, he about to do a pool with all of them in the car. Hey! Okay. All right, I need a napkin. Need a napkin, a bucket, towel. I need everything. No, Jake. Behave, Jake. Behave, Jake. Hey. All right, y'all. So we're about to get a quick launch on the 20. Is it 2025? A 2025 M4, y'all. This is gonna be crazy work. So get ready for this. Dude, look at the interior lighting, y'all. This is insane, bro. Sheesh. X drive. Look at that. You got the full digital dash. Oh, it's not all one? No. It like splits? Yeah. Oh, I just found that out. That's crazy. Hey, AJ! Look at map one. Look at AJ over there. Hey, you only got them because he had 5 gears. You had 5 more than he. What? All right, y'all, so this is it. This is it, y'all. This is it. Let's feel how this is, man. Let's feel how this is. Oh! Oh! Oh my God! Oh my God! Yo! Oh, that's a feeling like no other, bro. Oh my God. Dude. Shit. Dude. Oh my God. Let me find out. I need a 2020, what, 4 or 5 M4 comp? Let me just figure out I need an M4 comp. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Jeez. Look at that. Oh my god. Jeez. Oh! Frog's going out. Jake? Jake. Let me find out I need one. Dude, this thing, bro. I've never been in an all-wheel drive car that just kicks like that, bro.
It feels like it's just gonna pull the fucking front wheels off the ground.
Dude, it's insane, bro. All right, sir. I need the license and registration because I know this ain't stock.
Man, I know what you're talking about. That's why
I know this ain't stock.
It's stock.
Oh my god. You about to do a launch?
I'm gonna come back and do the
Do a full? Oh my god, I can't wait for that. Brock's bumper, y'all. Brock's bumper. You got the elephant right there, y'all. This is crazy. You're good, Brock. You're good. Oh, what the? All right. That was clean. That was pretty clean. Oh, my God. Dude! Oh my god!
Get the fuck out of here! Bitch, I want one of these!
Came back. Oh my god, bro, I came back. Elephant came back. What the heck is going on? Oh my god. Jesus. Brock lower than me. What'd you say? What'd you say?
That motherfucker. That shit's stock, man, for sure.
Hey, only 55, y'all. Only 55. Oh my god, dude, bro.
What did he say? Hey, listen, that Mopar V8 hit different, no?
It's moving, bro. All I saw was whoop, whoop, whoop. I was like, yo, what? Also, we're about to do a red battle real quick, man. We got a lot of cars that are willing to jump in for this red battle. It's gonna be wild, y'all. So all I say is stay tuned, man. Stay tuned, because this is gonna be crazy. Rev it, bro. Show me something, Jake.
Stop, man.
I don't care. Show me something, Jake. Watch out, he's gonna spit, he's gonna spit. lot of the boys are leaving now. Appreciate you coming out, bro. Appreciate it, Brody. Jake. Appreciate you, Jake.
Hey, you about to see an exit?
I got you. I got you. Jake's a nasty driver, y'all, I'm telling you. That's a brother. Leaving y'all, and he leaving with it too. That's crazy work, y'all. Crazy work. I'm telling you, this is an EFL pop-up meet, y'all. EFL pop-up meet. Oh my God. Bro, he's popping way down there, bro. Oh my God, bro. Hey, bro, appreciate you coming out, bro. Appreciate you. You already know it's good. Insane. We got Kevin. Appreciate you coming out, Kev. I'll see you tomorrow, though.
Yes, sir.
Troy, I appreciate the ride, bro.
Bro, I will see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, bro. That is insane, y'all. That is insane. Oh my God. Got all these cars leaving, man. All these cars leaving. That's a freak. Yeah, he held that. He held that.
You want to.
You're good. Got a C8 now? Oh, that car is popping over there. This guy's Hey, you're good. You're good all the way. Oh my God. That's insane, dude. That is insane. I'm telling you, absolutely insane. He skirted off a little bit. That is insane, y'all. Oh my God, I don't know if he's coming back this way or what's going on, but he said he's about to rip it for real. That's crazy. Almost an accident. He flung rocks everywhere. That was it's cooked. WD-40. You need some WD-40. All right, that was pretty clean. That's your boy?
Yeah.
That's your boy?
That's my boy.
Hey, I was clean, bro. I was clean. You sure, bro? Bro, we look low, bro.
I got one thing I'm gonna show you. Come look at my headers. Come look at my headers.
Dre,
Forget about it.
Dre, I know you lying, bro. We
look at my
both
headers.
low.
Come look at my headers. Hold on. Let me make it white for you so you can actually see up underneath there.
Man, y'all let me know, bro, because we look the same, Dre.
No, my brother. No. You are not that low to the ground, but look at them headers.
Man, let me see.
Look at all of that. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Never mind, y'all. Never mind. Never mind.
Yeah.
Never mind.
Yeah.
Never mind. He's lower than I am. He's lower than I am. Y'all, so that's gonna be the end of our pop-up meet, man. Look at. You alright? You alright? You alright?
I say, dang. I say, dang.
We are extremely tired, y'all. We just got off, got off a 10-hour shift, yeah? All right. All right, man. But appreciate y'all for this video, coming along with this video, man. You got AJ right here, too. But make sure you subscribe. ExoticSIMZ, Exotic AJ, SNCP Man 3. We got Rome 2 Exotic, and we got Exotic Boy Blue, man. All right, so I'll catch y'all on the next one. Love y'all. See y'all for the